How to view all comments you've ever made on YouTube. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily find all of your comment history on YouTube. Open up YouTube application first. So let's just leave a few comments on these videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the comment section and write in the comment. Let's just comment random stuff here. I'm going to go back, tap on another one, and then I'm going to go to comment. And then let's just add another comment. I'm going to go back, leave just one more. So let's just tap on it and then go to the comment section. And now let's just leave another comment. All right. In order to find the comments that you've made on YouTube, go to profile icon at the bottom right. Then find the cogwheel or the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, you're going to have to go to manage all history. Now your Google Account Manager will open up and you should be able to see all of your watch history on YouTube. Then you're going to have to go to controls, and right besides that you have interactions. Then under video interactions you have comments and dislikes. Just tap on it and you should be able to see all of your comments and dislikes that you have made on your YouTube. So for some reason, the comments that I just posted is not here because it might not be registered completely, but you will be able to see all of the previous comments from here. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.